Aditya Thackeray is very, very, very scared of Republic. Aditya Thackeray is very scared of India's biggest news network, the Republic Media Network. And Aditya Thackeray, you should be. You should be scared. I know, Aditya Thackeray, you're scared. You're very scared. Because you are also, it seems to me, very scared about any deep investigation into the Disha Salian murder.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत और दिशा साल्यान के मर्डर केस का वापस से रिपब्लिक चैनल द्वारा उठाया जाना एक बहुत बड़ा कदम है। मेरे ख्याल से इसमें आदित्य ठाकरे की जो भूमिका रही है उसको पूरी तरह से एक्सपोज करने का अब समय आ गया है। यह फडणवीस गवर्नमेंट के लिए एक चैलेंज रहेगा, क्योंकि फडणवीस गवर्नमेंट जो है, फडणवीस साहब के विशेषकर ठाकरे जी से एक विशेष संबंध रहे हैं और आदित्य ठाकरे को एक्सपोज करना एक वाकई में एक चैलेंज होगा। लेकिन जिस हिसाब से अर्नब गोस्वामी इस केस को नए तरीके से ऊर्जा दे रहा है, उससे लगता है कि इस केस में वापस से ड्रामेटिक चेंज आएगा और गवर्नमेंट विल बी अंडर प्रेशर to expose the culprits and also to find out the real culprits of the case. We hope that definitely the case is picked up by the agencies, by the investigative agencies, and at least we should know who are the people behind the murder of two prominent young artists of the country. It's a shame that we have so far not been able to. Sushant Singh Rajput, see, he was a engineer from one of the prestigious institute of the country, that is Delhi Institute of Technology. So it's really shameful that we have not given him justice so far and still trying to cover up. So Republic is doing a great job, and Fadnavis government must also take it as a challenge to expose the real murders behind this case. So Aditya Thackeray, if he has got nothing to do with this case, he should be exposed that way. But if he has done something and he has big involvement, then law must take its own action. One should not allow people like him to cover up his face with such a big mask. This is incredible. I don't think that this is good for any country, that a young politician who has been rumored to be involved in a murder case is going scot-free. This has to be exposed now. Thank you.